Welcome to our channel. Today we how to optimize your affiliate marketing with Amazon Associates, detailed guide step by step clearly. Start by signing up for the Amazon Associates program. Visit the Amazon Associates homepage and create your account. Once registered, familiarize yourself with the platform's dashboard. Identify your niche to focus your marketing efforts. Research trending products in your chosen niche on Amazon. Choose products that have a good sales rank and positive reviews. Create content that adds value to your audience. Write blog posts, make videos, or share social media content that highlights these products. Incorporate affiliate links naturally within your content. Use high-quality images and engaging descriptions for each product. Optimize your content for search engines to improve visibility. Utilize keywords relevant to your niche and products. Consider using long-tail keywords for better targeting. Promote your content across various channels, including social media and email newsletters. Monitor your performance using the analytics tools provided by Amazon. Adjust your strategy based on which products and content types generate the most sales. Stay updated on Amazon's policies and guidelines to ensure compliance. Engage with your audience by responding to comments and questions. Experiment with different promotional techniques, like discounts or exclusive offers. Continuously test new products and adjust your recommendations accordingly. Track your earnings and optimize your approach to maximize profits. Make it a habit to regularly update your content and keep it relevant. Grow your network by collaborating with other creators in your niche. Explore using ad campaigns to further boost your visibility. Lastly, be patient and persistent. Success in affiliate marketing takes time. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.